I can't believe it's already time to load the sleigh.
I know. Best day ever. You know what was awesome? Remember last year when we saved Christmas? Wonder what kind of shenanigans we're going to get into this year.
I highly doubt we're going to have to save Christmas again. The chances of that are statistically... Where's the sleigh?
Oh, remember how I blew up the sleigh last year?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to forget.
Well, not this year. To keep it safe, I parked it on the moon.
The moon? You parked the sleigh on the moon?
You bet I did. I got a rocket from the rocket department, strapped it on the sleigh, and blasted it to the moon. Smart, right?
So it's there, on the moon, right now.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I had a peeping stick.
Oh, here. Use mine.
Why do you have this?
You see, sometimes at night, the girl elves...
Oh, no, stop! I don't want to know!
Sometimes at night, the girl elves have ribbon-making lessons, and I want to get better at my craft.
No. Oh. Yeah. There it is. So, how did you plan on getting it down?
Oh, don't worry. I can get it.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a call. So what do you think? This Magnitude BB35 is gonna work nice, huh?
Yeah, it is. Ooh, sofa. Mine.
What are you doing?
Remember how we saved Christmas last year?
Mm-hmm.
I put in last year's video into the Blu-ray player to get some ideas on how we can save Christmas this year.
I like where you're going with this, but that's last year's video. We need to watch this year's video, so go ahead and hit fast forward.
That far enough?
No, that's now.
Now?
Yes, now. Everything happening now is now. Go ahead a bit.
Whoops! Too far. Now what do we do?
I think we have some really great features to work with here. I mean, look around.
Yeah, dream dinette. Mine. Sofa bed. Mine again. Over the cab bunk. You can have that. Unless it comes with an entertainment center.
It does.
Oh, in that case, mine.
And check out this kitchen. With a setup like this, you can keep the big guy fed so he can make all the deliveries. You have dual burner gas cooktop with single induction cooktop, convection microwave, double bowl stainless steel sink, and a residential refrigerator.
You forgot something.
What's that?
It's all mine, 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 mine.
And you have room for all the candy canes in the world under the high gloss glazed cabinetry.
All this looking around is making me tired. Ooh, bunks, mine. I can picture myself all curled up dreaming until next Christmas.
Yeah, well, there's no time for that. We have to finish looking around to make sure this is perfect.
Are you sure it's not bedtime? The dinette and sofa make into beds. You can have your choice.
No sleep until all our work is done. And I see you looking at that bathroom. There's no time for that either.
Oh, come on. I need to read this. And look at it in here. You have a skylight and a large shower with glass door, tankless hot water, large medicine cabinet, stainless steel sink.
Yeah, and the 360 siphon is perfect for when you have a little too much dairy with all these cookies.
Oh, look at 2 doors. Let's look at that bedroom.
Yep, that's a king bed. The closet is huge. Perfect for a certain red and white soup. There's even a TV for relaxing.
Oh, look, the Bluetooth Coach radio system. And I have the app right here. Party!
Fantastic. And check out the nightstand, USB charging port so we can keep our devices charged for an entire trip around the world.
With the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender, it'll be easy to connect to Signal no matter where we are in the world, and I'll be able to keep up with the list.
And think of the view we'll have from all over the world with the powered Skyview shade easily controlled from the multiplex wiring system.
Yeah, and I have the app right here. It's elf-tastic.
Yeah, it is. And from your phone or the full-color touchscreen, you can set the auto gen start, adjust the climate, control the slides, check your tank levels, practically everything.
And the Magnitude is prepped for solar. Perfect. It looks great, but can it power us through?
Oh, you know it can. This is a Ford F550 chassis with a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8. We're talking 330 horsepower, 750 pound-feet of torque. That is way more than 9 reindeer.
Wow, this baby is fully loaded. The 3-camera selectable mirror with audio is perfect for takeoff and landing.
Yeah, you have Ford Sync, AppLink, navigation, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, Mobileye collision and lane departure warning system, smart charging, and a trailer brake controller. It's all here.
Oh, look at the time. We gotta get back to the North Pole.
All right, hang on.
After we load the storage bay with packages, you think we'll have time to watch the exterior TV? The awning can keep the snow off. And I grill some snickerdoodles on the exterior propane connection.
Well, maybe later. Right now, we need to go tell Santa about his new sleigh, and let's hope he doesn't fly it by the moon.
Oh, yeah, I totally forgot about that. But on a positive note, we did save Christmas again this year. You suppose we're gonna save Christmas again next year?
Well, it depends on if these suits still fit, Tom. Depends on if the suits still fit.